I'm just waiting for some paint to dry. Say hi to you all, but I'm just waiting for some paint to dry off a little bit on another work that I'm doing. But with some leftovers that I have left, I'm going to do a quick little flip cup pour for you all on this. It's an MDF round board that I purchased as a placemat from Kmart, a shop in Australia. I believe that the Kmart have closed down in America. So this is an MDF board. It's already painted on one side, so that's the side that I'm going to do my flip cup on, just out of some leftover colours. So welcome if you haven't joined me before in my little art journey doing my YouTube videos. Welcome, and thank you for joining us. I want to just do this a little quick one. So I've got a tiny little bit of navy left at the bottom of my cup. I'm going to I've got this bit of this hot pink left. All of these colours that I'm using here were Global, brand Global, and I've mixed them with Elmer's glue and water. The little drop down box at the bottom of the screen will be my my pouring medium and any information that I believe is relevant to this particular pour. So that was burnt umber. Then I've got some cool blue. They're just leftover colours, and I thought, well, instead of just doing it here on my own like I would normally, I'm started to video most of my things, because each time I don't, then you can bet they'll turn out just beaut, and everybody will ask, how did you do it? Did you video that one? And of course I hadn't videoed most of them, but I am starting to now, because I can see that there's loads of interest in people wanting to learn, just as I wanted to learn about the acrylic fluid painting, even though I've painted or done art for most of my life in some shape or form. I just thought this is a little flip cup. I'm not sure if it's a dirty cup or whatever cup, I don't know. Somebody usually corrects me if I say the wrong terminology, which is absolutely fine. I don't mind being corrected at all. So I'm not particularly sure. So I'm just layering these colours that I had left. Like I said, there was the real sort of candy pink, burnt umber, the cool blue, white. I think that's all I have left here, but pretty sure that if I didn't video it, it would come out really lovely. So we'll just see what we get. These, as always, I always make my paints up for the acrylic pouring method. Always make the paints up the day before and add my silicone, which is the best silicone that I've used, and it's under $7. It's Helmar. I believe you can get it off eBay or Amazon in America, and if you're in Australia, I've got a little drop down box there that shows you my Australian family owned company that you can buy it from. So okay, so here goes the flip cup. Quick flip of the wrist. Try not to get myself covered in paint. Oh, already look at this. Look at this. Looky. Wow. Some interesting things popping up out of that one already. I just like to leave it a second or two. Try and give you a bit of a close-up so you can, as it comes out, you can see the magic happen. Look at these cells already. Haven't done anything to it, so I'm just going to lift my cup and hope for the best. Just going to let it burp itself out, actually. Spew out. Ooh, wowee. Wowee. Got this whole face appearing before me. It is so interesting, really, what does come out of these pores, what shows their faces. Sometimes they're absolutely beautiful, sometimes they're a bit scary and disturbing, but every time amazing in one shape or form. So I'll just give it a gentle tilt around. There's obviously bits that you will not like, and then other bits that you really will want to keep. Just take that aside for a second while I'm tilting around. So I want to make sure this runoff goes onto this paper that I've got underneath. Am I taking, sorry, if I'm taking this probably right out of the way of the camera, sorry about that. Don't want to tilt it too much at this minute till I've torched it, so I'll bring it back to the camera. Sorry, I'm all over the place like a hairy goat. I just wanted you to see, I mean, that looks quite amazing what's actually popping out, showing its face right there without any torching. If you were doing this flip cup on this type of thing, it's great because you can either use this when it's fully dry and drill in the center and get a little clock mechanism to make a clock face out of, or you can put a hanger, you know, a wall hanger thing on the back, obviously, if you wanted to make it into you know, something that goes up on the wall. Or again, you could cover it with a heat-proof resin and have it as a placemat, or a serving bowl. Well, no, it's not a bowl, isn't it? Platter. That's what I was thinking of. Okay. Yeah, you can just finger pop around the edges. Like, I haven't put my gloves on. That's very naughty of me because I was literally waiting for paint to dry over the previous pour and decided I just want to use this paint up while I'm out here, so I've got no paint hanging around this weekend because I think we're going to be busy going here, there and everywhere in this beautiful area that we live in Queensland. It's got, you know, beaches are close by, it's got mountains close by. Anybody overseas ever wants to visit Australia, make sure you come to Noosa, and particular Koroy. Fantastic hinterland town that's friendly people. Oh, we've got everything here. Okay, I'm going to give this a bit of a, ooh, look at that. Didn't take much heat to get some cell activity in that. Not that it really needed any, because I suppose there is such a thing as too many cells, I suppose. According to some people, then other people all say never such a thing, too many, because they just create such an interesting little life of their own. Now look at that. That is gorgeous. Really gorgeous. I'm not sure if you're seeing it as I am seeing it. But it is lovely, really lovely, the cells. Oh, okay, there we go. Back out again. I'll put some photos on of it. So just, yeah, this is just a little flip cup pour for you. That would be easy to follow. Anybody that's starting their art journey in this acrylic pouring, I have lots of beginners videos and showing you what to do and how to mix your paints. So there's something for everybody on my channel, I believe, and I'm hopefully trying to cover everything for you guys to learn from. And the best thing is, it's all for free. All my knowledge for free. So if you'd like to join me on follow my endeavours as well on my Acrylic Art by Julie Cube Facebook page, I'm quite happy to see you there. Or you want to subscribe to my channel, keep watching. Please give me some comments and let me know what you think. Obviously, if you don't think much of me, don't put any comment, just move on. I don't need or want negativity, but the beautiful comments that I've been getting make me continue. So thank you so much, and see you again next time.